Hi everyone, I'm John Elizik, a Chicago personal injury attorney, and today we're talking about one of the most common and most expensive problems people face after a crash: the mistakes that can ruin your case. If you've been in a car accident in Illinois, what you do in the days and weeks after the crash can make a huge difference in how much money you recover, or whether you will recover anything at all. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 biggest mistakes people make that hurt the value of their case, and how you can avoid them. Stick around until the end, because I'll also explain when and why you should talk to an attorney before the insurance company talks you into a bad settlement. Mistake number 1, not calling the police or getting a report. After a crash, many people just exchange insurance information and move on, especially if they don't feel hurt right away. That's a huge mistake. In Illinois, the police report is one of the most important pieces of evidence in your case. It documents who was involved, how the accident happened, and whether anyone was cited for violating traffic laws. If there's no report, it's your word against theirs, and the insurance company will use that to deny or minimize your claim. Even if you feel fine, always call the police. Adrenaline can mask pain, and some injuries, like concussions or whiplash, don't show up until hours or even days later. A police report protects you and helps your attorney build your case. Mistake number 2, not getting immediate medical treatment. The second big mistake is not getting medical treatment right away. People say, "I don't want to make a big deal out of it," or "I'll see if it gets better." The problem is, if you wait for days or weeks to see a doctor, the insurance company will argue that you weren't really hurt, or that something else caused your pain. Under Illinois law, the value of your claim depends heavily on your medical records. If there's a gap in treatment, they'll use that to deny or reduce your settlement. Even if your pain seems minor, get checked out immediately. That visit creates a paper trail linking your injuries to the crash, and that's what wins cases. Mistake number 3, talking to the insurance company without a lawyer. The third mistake is talking to the insurance company, especially the other driver's insurance company, before you talk to a lawyer. They will call, act friendly, and say they just want your statement. But their goal is not to help you. It's to save their company money. Anything you say can and will be used against you. They'll twist your words or claim that you were partly at fault. Illinois follows comparative negligence, which means if they can make you look even 20% responsible, your compensation gets reduced by 20%. Or they'll get you to say, "I feel okay," then argue that your injuries were minor. Don't sign anything, don't give a recorded statement, and don't agree to settle before talking to an experienced Illinois personal injury attorney. We handle those conversations for you and make sure your words don't cost you your case. Mistake number 4, posting on social media. In the age of social media, this is one of the most dangerous mistakes people make. After an accident, many people post updates like, "I'm okay, just a little sore," or "My car got wrecked, but I'll be fine." Here's the problem. Insurance companies monitor your social media. They hire investigators to look at your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even old Twitter posts. If you're claiming serious injury but post a photo smiling at a barbecue, they'll use that against you, even if you were just trying to stay positive. Anything can be twisted to suggest you're exaggerating your injuries. Our advice is simple. Stay off social media until your case is resolved. If you must post, keep it neutral and never discuss your accident, your injuries, or your case online. Mistake number 5, waiting too long to call a lawyer. The 5th mistake, and the one that hurts people the most, is waiting too long to contact a lawyer. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to gather evidence. Surveillance footage gets erased, witnesses forget, vehicles are repaired or scrapped. In Illinois, you generally have 2 years from the date of the crash to file a personal injury lawsuit, but waiting even a few months can hurt your case. A lawyer can investigate the crash, collect witness statements, work with doctors, and handle the insurance company for you. The sooner you call, the sooner we can protect your rights and make sure you're not taken advantage of. Let's recap the 5 biggest mistakes that can destroy your Illinois car accident case. 1. Not calling the police or getting a report. 2. Not seeking immediate medical treatment. 3. Talking to the insurance company without a lawyer. 4. Posting on social media about the crash. And 5. Waiting too long to contact an attorney. Avoiding these mistakes can dramatically increase the value of your claim and help you recover every dollar you deserve. If you've been in a car accident in Chicago or anywhere in Illinois, don't face the insurance company alone. Call the law offices of John L. Isaac for a free consultation or visit us at the link below to learn more. You don't pay anything unless we win. I'm John L. Isaac, Illinois personal injury attorney. Thank you for watching.